In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall apps in Adobe Creative Cloud, whether you're cleaning up your computer, addressing software issues, or simply deciding you no longer need specific apps. Adobe Creative Cloud makes the uninstallation process fairly straightforward. Together, we'll walk through the simple steps to remove any Adobe application you no longer need. First, we need to start by heading to your Adobe desktop app. If you haven't done so already, log into your account. This step is crucial because without logging in, you won't be able to access the installed applications or make any changes. If you're having trouble logging in, double-check your credentials and ensure that your internet connection is stable. Once you're logged in, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, from your Adobe desktop app, look for the tab titled Apps. Click on this. The Apps tab is where you can manage all of your installed Adobe products. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the apps that are part of your Adobe subscription, including those you have installed on your device. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout as it comes in handy for managing your software seamlessly. As you scan through the list of installed applications, identify the specific app you want to uninstall. Located at the right side of your Adobe desktop app, you'll find an easy-to-read list of all your installed apps. Beside the app you wish to uninstall, look for the three-dot menu. Clicking this icon is a pivotal step because it expands options related to managing that specific software, including its uninstallation. When you click on the three-dot menu, a concise drop-down list appears with several options. To uninstall the app, simply select Uninstall from this menu. At this stage, Adobe Creative Cloud will prompt you for confirmation, ensuring that you indeed want to remove the application. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. After confirming your choice, Adobe will automatically proceed with uninstalling the app from your device. Remember, these steps can easily be reversed if you change your mind or need the app again later. Simply head back to the Adobe desktop app, find the app in question, and click Install. Adobe Creative Cloud is designed to be user-friendly by providing flexibility and control over your suite of creative tools. That's it. You've successfully uninstalled an app from Adobe Creative Cloud. This process is efficient and straightforward, giving you more space and potential to either try new apps or improve your device's performance. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, or comment below with any questions or tips you might have for uninstalling apps within Adobe Creative Cloud.